Greetings, fellow Toastmasters. As your international president, I want to encourage you to attend your district's upcoming conference. Take advantage of this special opportunity to learn and grow outside of your club. Your district conference is a tremendous place to celebrate achievements and successes. You'll network with your fellow members, make new friends, and learn and share ideas for improvements in your club. This is your chance to hear inspiring keynote speeches and attend educational sessions delivered by outstanding trainers and facilitators. You'll develop your communication and leadership skills in a supportive and enthusiastic environment. Plus, you'll broaden your perspective of the Toastmasters experience and be introduced to new opportunities to benefit from the program. And when you come back to your club, you can share your experience with your fellow club members so they can benefit as well. I urge you to attend your district conference. I am positive it will be an exciting and rewarding experience for you.